Importance of sleeping position during pregnancy. During pregnancy, getting a comfortable night's sleep gets harder due to the hormonal fluctuations, anxiety, and mostly the physical changes. The size of your growing belly, aching back, and swelling in the eggs, and your frequent urge to empty your sensitive bladder makes it inconvenient for a comfortable sleep in the night. As your pregnancy progresses to the second trimester, you may find it harder to find a good sleeping position. In this situation, it's natural to get worried about the sleeping position and in which sleeping position you should sleep. A good sleep is essential for every pregnant woman. During pregnancy, sleeping on your back for a short duration is not a problem. But if you sleep on your back for a long duration, it is not good for your baby. Sleeping on your back for a long time can reduce the blood circulation to your baby, and also it causes backaches, hemorrhoids, and digestive issues. When you sleep on your back, there will be a decrease in blood flow in vena cava, the vein that carries blood from the lower part of your body to the heart. This will decrease the blood flow to your uterus and thus your baby. The best sleeping position during pregnancy is to sleep on your side position. According to the National Sleep Foundation, the best sleeping position for a pregnant woman is to lie on her left side. That is, sleeping on the side, especially left side, is the ideal position for sleeping during pregnancy. Sleeping on your left side allows for optimum oxygen and nutrient flow to the baby, and it tends to be more comfortable for the mother. Sleeping on your left side can help ensure that you don't put any excess pressure on your liver. It can also promote kidney health, which helps decrease the swelling in your hands and feet. Using pillows between your legs while you sleep can be more comfortable and help prevent back pain from strain placed on your back while you sleep. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos.